If you don't have New Year's Eve plans yet, I've got something perfect for you. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jen. This channel is all about sewing crafts and DIY projects. We are getting to the end of the year, guys. And do you have New Year's Eve plans yet? Because I've got something to tell you about. There is going to be a virtual event. So yes, social distanced, everything's safe in the comfort of your own home. A virtual New Year's Eve sew-along to celebrate the end of what's been a really crazy year. This event is going to be something I will be popping up at. It's sponsored by Sulky and Sally Tomato. Sulky makes a lot of the embroidery, stabilizer, and other products I use here at the Sewing Report, and Sally Tomato makes really great bag patterns and also sells supplies on the website. So they are teaming up to host a really fun New Year's Eve sew-along where they will be showing you how to embroider designs that will be exclusive to this event and also constructing the brand new Zelda bag. Really cute bag. It's got little fringe trim and you can embellish the bag either with a machine or by hand. Oh, and I almost forgot, there are some kits available with pre-cut pieces so they're ready to sew. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box, and I will be popping into this event myself just to check it out and see what's going on. So hopefully you can join us all with the 2020 New Year's Eve sew-along. This all kicks off at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on New Year's Eve, December 31st. Now, entry into this event is $5.99 US. It includes the free Zelda bag pattern, some exclusive embroidery designs, and also the live instructions. So this will be live, and you'll first be learning to do the embroidery designs, and then Jessica with Sally Tomato will be taking over to show you how to construct the Zelda bag. Also, there's a dress code theme, the 1920s, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. And also there's gonna be some really fun door prizes. So if you're looking for something kind of low-key, but cool and fun to do on New Year's Eve, I think this will be perfect. Again, the link to the registration event is below. I am an affiliate of this event, just to let you know, but they approached me. It looked like a really cool thing, and that's why I wanted to get involved. So I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you all about the New Year's Eve sew-along. I'll be sewing. I'm going to be wearing my jammies, of course. So I'll be popping in and hopefully chatting with some of you guys during the event, but I'm really excited about this. My husband's going to be working on New Year's Eve, so I'm going to be here kicking it by myself. I will be having a lot of coffee, not champagne, and chilling, and hopefully doing some sewing, relaxing, and getting into 2021, which according to my new planner is going to be the best year ever. Will it be? I don't know. We're going to find out. So I hope to see you guys on New Year's Eve online. That's where I will be. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. I'll see you guys next time.